Hello, and welcome to a tutorial on how to stream your favorite shows on the DBTV Network on a Roku television. You will soon find out how easy our channel is to locate, so let's get started. The first step is to turn on your Roku. Next, click the left arrow on the Roku remote to reach the drop-down menu. Step 3, scroll down and find the search option. Once you have selected the search option, click the right arrow to find the keyboard. Then type in DB on the keyboard, and scroll over to the right and select DBTV Network and click on the channel. Select, go to the channel, and you are all set to watch all the shows on the DBTV network. Thanks for watching.